What's up, crypto community? Welcome back to YouTube channel. Dear viewers, today we are exploring Pepe Ice Hockey, a transparent and user-friendly crypto project. In this video, we will cover its features, pre-sale, staking, white paper, community channels, and the latest audit report so you get a complete understanding. Before we get into the details here, I would like to request all my viewers, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel and keep it in mind that this video is being made only for the informational and educational purpose. Please do your own research before making any investment decision. This video is not for financial investment advice. So, dear viewers, Pepe Hockey is a community-driven cryptocurrency designed for safety, transparency, and smooth user experience. Its fully verified contract and zero fee model make it reliable option for the crypto enthusiast. Dear viewers, Pepe Hockey is a blockchain-enabled hockey management game that puts you in the coach's seat of a meme-worthy team. It combines the depth of a sports management sim with the thrill of crypto and esports. In Pepe Hockey, players collect and train NFT-based athletes, set winning strategies, and then sit back to watch AI-driven hockey matches play out in real time thanks to on-chain randomness. Every match result is provably fair and replayable, providing trust for both players and batters. And here you can check the key features: early access, strategies, and watch. And here you can check that provably fair matches, crypto betting fun, and true ownership and meme culture and community. So these are the key features of the Pepe Hockey, and these features make this project noteworthy. Now we will discuss first of all its pre-sale. Here you can see that just 4 days, 3 hours and 11 minutes are left until next price increase that is expected. And here you can check that until next price increase, up till now 66,358 US dollars have been raised. And here you can check the current price is 0.01, and you can purchase the PUCK, P-U-C-K. This is the meme coin of the Pepe Hockey. And here you can see that if you want to take part in the pre-sale, first of all you will have to connect your wallet. Here you can see that I have connected my wallet, and after connecting your wallet you can take part in the pre-sale. Here you can see that you can select your chain, and you can pay with Ethereum, you can also pay with USDT. So here you can see that if we put 100 USDT, here you can see that we can get 10,000 PUCK. So dear viewers, this is how you can take part in the pre-sale of the PUCK. And the next feature is staking. Now we will discuss the staking. Dear viewers, Pepe Hockey also provides staking opportunities for token holders. Staking helps the community engage more deeply while supporting network stability. All staking processes are secure and transparent. Here you can check out the details of the staking team upgrades and gear, staking for tickets program, community and governance impact. Here you can also check the amount to stake and staking period 2 months. And here you can also buy PUCK. Here viewers, the Pepe Ice Hockey white papers offers a complete overview of the project's goal, technical structure, tokenomics, and future roadmaps. It recommended for anyone looking to fully understand the project, and I would like to recommend all my viewers to read out the white paper of the Pepe Ice Hockey. And the next feature is, here you can check out the utility. Here you can see that PUCK token is the lifeboat of the Pepe Hockey ecosystem. PUCK powers gameplay, economy, and governance governance within the platform. Here are the core utilities of Puck. So dear viewers, you can use Puck for the team upgrades and gear. You can use it as player trading and transfer and wagering and match fees, governance, voting, and cosmetic and customization. So these are the utilities of the Puck, and here you can check out the tokenomics of the Puck. You can check out staking and you can check out the NFTs. Here is the tokenomics. Play to earn pool share is 35%, pre-sale is 10%, team treasury 20%, advisor partners 5%, staking liquidity 20%, airdrop share is 10%, and here is the total supply you can check out, and here is the game you can play now, and here is the social media community links, and the next amazing feature is audit reports. So here we discuss the audit report of the Pepe Hockey. Dear viewers, the recent audit Pepe Hockey is very positive. According to Degen Scanner, the project is marked as safe with zero issues. And the key finding includes verified contract, public and transparent code, no honeypot, not a scam or trap for funds. Here you can also check that 0% taxes, no buy or sell fees, no blacklist, max TX, no restrictions on transactions. Overall, the audit confirms that Pepe Hockey is secure, transparent, and user friendly with no major red flag. You can find out the Pepe Hockey audit report link available on the website. I will also put the link, all the relevant link in the description of the video. So dear viewers, now we will discuss how we can buy it and what is the procedure. How can we buy it? So first of all, we will have to connect our wallet. Here you can see the second one is prepare of funds. Here you can see, and the third one is enter the purchase amount, and the fourth one is confirm the transaction, and the last one is receive Puck. When the transaction is confirmed, your purchased Puck tokens will be reserved for you. So this is the process by which you can buy Puck. Dear viewers, this is the Telegram community of the Pepe Hockey, and I would like to recommend all my viewers to join the Telegram community to get real-time updates, announcements about the Pepe Hockey project. And the next one is Pepe Hockey official Twitter page. I would like to recommend all my viewers to follow the Twitter page. By following Twitter page, you can get announcements, real-time updates, news about the Pepe Hockey. So this social media community is the power, and I think all my viewers must join these communities. Dear viewers, if you are interested in a secure community-focused crypto experience, Pepe Hockey is worth checking out. Visit the official link above to learn more. All relevant links are conveniently located in the video description. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and share it with others. For ongoing updates on cryptocurrency projects, be sure to subscribe and stay connected with our channel. Thank you for your time, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Dear viewers, Pepe Hockey is a blockchain-enabled hockey management game that puts you in the coach's seat of a meme-worthy team. It combines the depth of a sports management sim with the thrill of crypto and esports. In Pepe Hockey, players collect and train NFT-based athletes, set winning strategies, and then sit back to watch AI-driven hockey matches play out in real time thanks to on-chain randomness. Every match result is provably fair and replayable, providing trust for both players and batters. And here you can check the key features: early access, strategies, and watch. And here you can check that provably fair matches, crypto betting fun, and true ownership, and meme culture and community. So these are the key features of the Pepe Hockey, and these features make this project noteworthy.